Oh, good. Oh, what happened, baby? Honey.
Look at that.
Then
And then it's a miracle.
Irvin, you look adorable. No, Bubby.
here she is, look, pretending there's something wrong with her. As soon as she's on the carpet.
Oh, you're.
You're pathetic, Bruce. You're pathetic.
This is dramatic. It's not like that needs to happen. It doesn't.
Get up. Stand up. Are you broken? What are you doing?